Hey everybody, this is Michael Forst here at Forst Trux Installation Shop, showing this new product we have from Trux. This is a replacement door pocket light. This is a multicolored light. It has a strobe function on it and a ground projector of an image. This one with an oval flag in it. These fit various Peterbilt and Kenworth models. If you go to the forstatetrucks.com website, put in this part number, scroll down to the fitment tab, you can see the years and models of trucks that these fit. Now we'll go ahead and replace the light on this truck behind me. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and change this light here. And these are side specific, so make sure you get yourself a driver's side and a passenger side. Here we're going to work on the passenger side of this truck. As they come in the box, here is your light with a projector. Has a little switch on it, and there's the housing that replaces the one in the door. However, we don't have to replace the one in the door because this will fit the original one. So all I have to do to start is take our flat screwdriver or a pocket knife, whatever you can, pull our original light cover off. Remove our bulb carefully because it will be very hot. Install the new connector into the light socket. Just push the cover back in place. Now the switch up here can change the top red light to a strobe function with a quick press. And with a long press, we change the color on the bottom. Now we're white to blue, green, purple, red, amber, and back to white. There's our oval flag projected onto the ground. This is what makes them driver and passenger side specific, so this flag is oriented correctly. So we've got the install on this door done. We'll go over and change the driver's side. Here in just a matter of minutes you can have both these replaced and have a cool custom look on your truck.